a licensed inside sales agent working specifically with small business owners. And it's a 100% remote work job. These are the different states that they're welcoming applicants to apply from, and specifically people that are residing in these time zones or in the state of Texas. And this is the training schedule. Your responsibilities include taking inbound phone calls and warm leads, selling small business line products, including these, working as an effective team member, acting with confidence, prioritize and manage desks, operating with a customer-focused approach, and partnering with the inside sales underwriting team. And they're looking for someone that has an active license with 2 years of experience being preferred, and call center experience is also valued.